Paisley? You gonna be nice? Sure, girls. Paisley.
Can you find the animal? No.
Hey. Hey, little one. Hi, Paisley. You gonna be nice? Hey. Come on.
Where's the animal?
Paisley. She looks like she's gonna attack me. Come on.
Let's find the animal.
I got the other girls climbing on me. Get back, girls. Paisley. Hi. Hi. Paisley.
See what's new.
Let's see if I can bribe you. Come on. Come on.
Wanna play?
Oh. All right, girls. Come on.
Mama. Can you find the animal?
Ah, don't bite. There. That's a good girl, Paisley. No. She's being gentle at least. She's not biting hard. I think she realizes there's a finger, not food. There.
The animal.
Good. Take food gentle. Alright, come on, girls. Get out of the way. I'm trying to help Paisley right now. This is Paisley's turn. Gentle. Don't bite hard. There you go. Lick, lick, lick. Lick, lick, lick. Good girl. Ugh. Chelsea. No, come on. Escapee. Trying to work with Paisley here. Gentle. Uh-uh. There. That's a good girl. We're just going to get Paisley used to being talked to and stuff. Come on, Paisley. Aniston. You guys are being brats. Come on. Come on. Uh-uh. Little ones. There you go. Oh, Scarlett's going to get in on the action. Good. Yep, I got it all over your hammock. Look at me. Good.